CKS exam learning series point of view. Fifth topic is verify platform binaries before deployment. So if we look at the training Linux foundation.org, right, its syllabus under the cluster setup, last topic is verify platform binaries before deploying. So what exactly it means? So in the Kubernetes world, you will be using kubectl and kubeadm and etcd, and there are many, right? So basically if you look at the CKS preparation guide under the cluster setup, right, last point, which is verify platform binaries. So we will use a kubectl, kubeadm and kubelet. So basically we all use this binaries. So these binaries, where we will download, we will be downloading from its official documentation. So if you look at this URL, right, Kubernetes releases, this is a official documentation page, right? So current version is 1.23.1. if I click on a change log, it has a 1.23.1 specific all the change log, and it has a 1.23 so on and all the previous versions, right? Say if I am using, if you look at my cluster, I have a 2-node cluster. I am using a 1.23.1, which is the current version, and kubectl version -short. What I am using my kubectl binary is 1.23.1, right? So likewise, every binary I have downloaded from a Kubernetes official GitHub page, right? And whatever I am using the binaries for this master node, worker node. So this master node have everything, right? Kubelet, kubectl, etcd, everything it has, right? So basically whether this master node has a legitimate binaries or not, how you will check the legitimate binaries or not, that is what the today's topic. So first what we will be doing is we will be verifying by using a checksum. So basically what is a checksum is basically it's a cryptographic hash value which is associated with the binaries when it was built by the Kubernetes team. If you look at the this change log, go to 1.23.1, say this is my Mac or my Linux, right? So I will be using this binary and just use it and install, right? And if I go to there is a Kubernetes documentation, right? This is the link, which is install tools. Say I wanted to install on the Linux machine, right? I clicked here and I wanted to, usually we install with a curl or native package. Say let's take a simple example, curl, right? So I will be installing with this. This is basically it fetches the latest version, stable version, and it will download. So once it is downloaded, whether it's a correct version or it's a malfunction, because if you hit this from your local computer, there is a chances of attacker may hack your machine and give us something else, so that when you run that, then everything will be under his control. So you wanted to check whether it's a legitimate or not, that will be by using hash value. Here every binary has a different unique hash, so we will be checking that. So how basically, first by using a checksum, second is we will take a Kubernetes binaries and we will generate a SHA-512 checksum and compare with the official release. Means I will generate in my local cluster and compare with what they given here. That's what I will do here, right? So, and where I will get all these checksums, Kubernetes official release. That's it. So as a very simple. Now let's check that. That's it, and then demo, right? So now I will go inside the master node. So I will use vagrant status, right? So it will just show me my vagrant servers, right? Just wait for a minute. This master node, right? Say I wanted to vagrant SSH and I wanted to check master node, right? So I am inside the master node. So if you look at this master node, right? So which is Ubuntu 20.4.3, right? So I'll just clear. So here I have in the documentation all the commands are here. So now what I will do, there are two different ways where I can, right? Here I'll go to the releases, right? 1.23.1, right? And the change log, which is the same here. Go to the downloads, and what I will do is I wanted to download, say, something for my Linux machine, say ARM64, right? So basically here in the command is already here. ARM, yeah. So let's take this, right? ARM64, and then go to the server. I'm in a master node. Wag curl -lo is all the commands are here, basically whatever I am typing here, right? So and here command and -o, and output as a this guy, right? It's downloaded, right? It's downloaded here. Now I wanted to check, I wanted to generate a hash. How do I generate the hash? By using this command, right? Say here SHA-512 sum and whatever this zip name. So it's given me this is a SHA-512 sum. I will copy and just check with its official sum, right? Is it matching? Yes, correct. So that means whatever I am using in this, it's a legitimate. That way you can check, right? This is a one way. And other example is, now I can go ahead, and for this example now I can go ahead and untar it and just use these binaries further. This is the first one. Second example is, say I am already using a kubectl get pods, right? So you can run here as well, right? Say which kubectl, say user bin ctl, right? So this is the one. So now this kubectl binary is already exist at this place, right? Or else maybe where is kubectl also, which will show you the kubectl binary is located here. Now second methodology I have mentioned already here. So first of all, just try to find out what is your latest version here. What is the latest version in the master node? 1.23.1. I wanted to check this kubectl binary is a legitimate or not, right? So first is for Linux version curl -lo and this, right? So and where should I find this? If you go to the install tools, click on go to Linux, right? And here all the commands are here. So basically, so you just take it this, right? So since I have already there, so need not to download, right? And already installed, right? Now next step is, I'm in a Linux machine, so first I have to download the SHA-256 checksum. So here I'll just copy, right, and go here. I will download now I am downloading a checksum value, which is, if I do this, right, this checksum is whatever the kubectl I am using, that kubectl checksum, which is from official documentation. This I have received. Next step is I have to verify. So verification command is this one. So let's copy this, right? So put it here. So this, where is kubectl is show me user bin kubectl. So I entered user bin ctl, and this is a command echo, and just check what it's saying. Okay, that means whatever the kubectl which is located in this location, which is matching with this is which is downloaded from the official documentation, which is specified in the installation tools. Here is they have given the command, validate the kubectl binary against the checksum file. If you have a binary, you can validate. The similar way you can do it for everything. You can do it for the Mac, you can do it for the Windows, everything. But the example point of view, I'm showing this. Yeah, that's what maybe you can go and check it out in the other worker nodes everywhere, right? So yeah, that's it for this demo point of view, and let me know in your comments what is your thought and all. Thank you for watching.